You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. You think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving. Let's do this!
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase courts repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. To be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates. Maybe one of the Bullards in town knows where to find him. They're junk traders and very upbeat.
I hope they are more hospitable than the Bullards in my dimension.
So shiny.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Oh, hello, stranger! Can't talk! Gotta fortify before next raid!
Fixer, where would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
Sorry. I just fly on unannounced. Yeah, hi! And listen, that primo junk, I'm not. New tourists? Oh! Welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Do you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molotov minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. Pits! Across the canyon! Chunk incoming! Better jump! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about that, huh?
Very impressive.
Out of our way!
That was unpleasant.
Here comes a jump!
Oh dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece of cake! Oh no.
Yo-ho, our time has finally come! Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done!
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys! Attack!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot!
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Idea! Shoot! Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
I adore the way you fight, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last evil!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but
Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Rabbit hole!
Shatter bombs overhead!
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot going. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. My spine!
Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their thundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Molinoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
They're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
The long neck speed. That's what I like. Give it.
So tenacious! Get it off! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for lighting things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
More? How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off. Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone!
Again with the shield.
I could do this all day!
Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner!
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Shock freak!
Take a hit.
There be no plank for ye to walk here. Your hand lies with me. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours. will eat the expenses!
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Gotta admit, the Fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see. Another pocket dimension. What do you think? Might be fun.
I can be persuaded.
Oh, that smell is so... Maybe it's time for one last speedo ride.
Weird, but fascinating.
Okay, now, on to the Fixer. Almost there!
Wombats! Pierre says they be fixin' to fix the Fixer! So fix them a quick death!
You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship! Cut them down, mateys!
Wombats is getting too close to the Fixer!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like we can flank them from the sides, too!
You can't get away so easily!
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening!
How will I go on without my glasses?
Good thing you'll never have to find out!
You and your adorable sassy backpack then! Soldiers!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this!
Do not lump me into the failure! I am merely the face of the operation!
They won't get away this time!
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The Fixer be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now! Not when we're this close to the Fixer!
me the honor to blaspheme myself, your scraggly neck will pester Pierre no more!
Enough yet?
Never! I'll be free!
Stop me, Lombax!
Again with the shield.
Easy, fairly! Works like mine!
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited! Run up the colors and signal the others! We must stop them before they reach the picture!
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
Regroup with the others! We are going to attack us one and finish this!
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh. This must be the fixer's on switch. Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my.
Nothing!
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead!
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Ah!
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsing. Great.
Men is to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot
improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew! Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
Thank you, Rivet.
So you got the big guy back.